Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking on how to switch banks to PNC Bank. Thinking about switching to PNC Bank? It's a simple, step-by-step process. Here's how you can make the move easily. Step 1. Open your PNC account. Before you close your old account, you need a new one. Visit a PNC branch or apply online. To apply, you'll need a social security number, a valid ID like a driver's license, and some personal information. Once approved, you'll receive your account number and debit card. Step 2. Update direct deposits and automatic payments. This is the most important step. Make a list of all your direct deposits, like your paycheck, and automatic payments, like your rent or utility bills. Contact your employer's HR or payroll department to switch your direct deposit to your new PNC account. You can use PNC's direct deposit form to make this easier. For automatic payments, log into each company's website and update your banking information with your new PNC account and routing numbers. Step 3. Wait and transfer funds. Keep your old account open and funded for a few weeks. This ensures all checks, direct deposits, and automatic payments have fully transitioned to your new PNC account. Once everything is confirmed, transfer the remaining money from your old bank to your new PNC account. Step 4. Close your old account. Contact your old bank. You can usually do this in person, by phone, or sometimes online. Request a written confirmation that the account is closed. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can switch to PNC Bank with a smooth and stress-free transition. With that said, thanks for watching.